With the current rate of economic hardship and recession, it is only wise to look for other means to make some extra money. Thankfully, online offers a lot of options that you can easily tap into. YouTube, freelancing, online marketing, etc. are some ways to earn money online. Here is how to make money online in 2023 as a beginner. Ultimate recession strategy. YouTube. YouTube is fast becoming one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. Some even believe it is the most lucrative online money-making machine. For example, Forbes reports that YouTubers collectively made over $300 million in 2021 alone, with the popular YouTuber Mr. Beast earning a whopping $54 million out of that just by creating interesting videos that always attract viewers to his channel. You can be like him. Well, you might not be earning such huge amounts within a short period, but at least YouTube can fetch you some money. You'll need some time and consistency to reach his levels of money making. However, if you don't have time to spare, you can optionally outsource your YouTube channel to freelancers to do the job for you. All you need to do is pay them and supervise the work. We will go deeper into freelancing in a minute. Stay tuned. The link in the video description will direct you to the cash cow freelancing company. They can get the whole work done for you in no time. Online resale. Another fast-growing area you can tap into during this period of economic recession is reselling your luxurious bags, clothes, watches, and other products online. According to Forbes, over 33 million consumers bought second-hand apparel for the first time in 2020. The resale market is projected to double in the next 5 years, reaching $77 billion. This shows fast the business of reselling is growing. And thankfully, platforms such as eBay have made it easier for users to earn money from home by reselling their products online. It should be one of your top online business priorities in 2023. Online resale is almost the same as one other online money-fetching source, which we will talk about later. Watch the video till the end to know how you can earn through affiliate marketing. Hit on the subscribe button to join our great money-making family. You will receive the latest and premium tips on how to earn money online, so don't miss this opportunity. Let's continue. Trading. These times of economic downturn is the best time to put your trading skills to use. Money is becoming more and more scarce, causing individuals to look for other avenues to make money. Forex and cryptocurrency trading are two money-making sources that people are seeking to tap into. You can organize a sizable number of audiences by teaching people how to make money from these sources. You can as well market some trusted trading strategies and courses to your audience. It will be another way to make some money online in 2023. Freelancing. Do you have the writing skills? Can you design? Can you edit videos or add voiceovers? If your answer to any of these is yes, then I have good news for you. You can make a living from freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest methods to make some dollars in these times of economic hardship. And the good thing is that you only need a laptop and the right skills to get started. You can make some money from freelancing in any part of the world. Companies are being forced to lay off some workers due to the level of economic hardship, but the demand for labor is still on the rise. Instead of maintaining full-time employees, they are after part-time workers with the right skills to get the work done, so as to cut off some cost. You can take advantage of this to collaborate with some of such companies to put your skills to use and earn some money as well. Affiliate marketing. Almost every business strategy comes with a risk of losing some money. Affiliate marketing is one of the few that is free of risking money. You just have to advertise products on behalf of companies and get paid based on the amount of revenue you generate for the said companies. Dave Nick further explains.
Affiliate marketing means being paid flat commission whenever you influence a sale on a certain website. So for example, some company is selling a dog training for $1,000 each, and they're giving 50% commission on every sale. Now you would grab an affiliate link, you would find people who would need a dog training, maybe some dog owners, and whenever someone buys that dog training through your link, you will earn $500 profit in this case.
You just need to have a platform to market the products. It can be a website, a YouTube channel, or even through social media platforms. Get in touch with some companies, market a couple other products, and earn some money from them in 2023. Online teaching. What skill do you have that you think others would like to learn? Is it photography, cooking, an educational course, or even dancing? You can make some money from that as well. You don't have to have the best studio to teach people how to dance, or have a PhD to educate people on a particular course. You can establish an online course on a platform such as Teachable to educate others while you earn some money from it. You can as well sell courses which can fetch you some money. YouTube is another platform where you can teach some skills such as photography, painting, cooking, etc. Take advantage of these platforms and make some money. Which skill do you think people will like to learn from you? Type it in the comment section. You might direct a new viewer to your channel. If you're seeking to focus mainly on YouTube, then we have the top 7 high-growth YouTube niche ideas you can build your YouTube channel on. Have a nice time watching it. It's bye-bye for now.